Good morning mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, pag-usapan natin tong laban ni Efren Reyes versus kay Nick Anderson. Ito yung Challenge the Legend Invitational Tour. At makikita natin dito na si Efren Reyes ay nasa table. Nilabanan ng mga local player itong si Efren Reyes, at kung matalo nila si Efren Reyes dito ay makaka-receive sila ng $500. Ginanap itong tournament na ito dyan sa Street Lights Academy sa USA, at makikita natin dito si Reyes ang nasa table at siya yung nagdidictate dito sa laro na ito sa rack number 1. This is a race to 5 match, alternate breaking rule, at si Reyes ang nangunguna dito sa rack number 1.
How you guys doing? It's me, Gabriel Lopez. Happy to be commentating today. You're going to see Efren make quick work of the first rack.
Mukhang nakauna na dito si Efren Reyes, no, at straightforward dito sa side pocket. Pumasok ang 9, kaya ito 1-0 ang score natin. At ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 2 walang iba kundi si Nick Anderson.
Efren is playing Dang today. Dang is actually a really good shooter. He's played in the really big tournaments, international I believe. Shoots wonderfully. Had the pleasure of playing in the big long race. That was also a clinic. Learned a lot from him. Yeah. Bethany's here too. She also played him in the long race. So sad. What a first match, dude. Like, of all the two people to play it.
It's one of the favorites to
Yeah. He's the type to rise to the occasion of anything and any kind of pressure. It looks like the 8 ball.
We'll find out after he shoots this shot.
The question we always have to ask. I wonder.
When we have all the balls on the table,
Looks like it is the 8. This one set up for the 5 pretty well.
I'm not spotting any games are getting spotted, but race, I don't
Oh.
he did set up for the 5 pretty well, but I think he came short on this 4.
Oh, so it is the 4.
It's the ball he is looking
That's a brave not moving that template. Watch out, 9 ball. Watch out, template. Oh, every time you should always move the template. That 9 ball like skirted right back onto the white one. This is Efren Reyes after all.
Oh my god, almost made the volley. Now we'll move the template.
Yeah. Just wanted to get in a quick highlight reel.
Wow, what a shot. actually held it too much and now it's real bad. That's why.
It's funny, just like the last shot was a spin shot, and this is gonna be a spin shot too, but on the opposite side of the power spectrum. I feel like it just gives a nice smooth draw stroke all the way back down to
Right spin. So when it comes off that bottom pair, it goes towards the center. Not necessarily.
make sure not to get out of it.
With the spin too, it's not gonna get to the
Need a little more juice.
a little more juice.
Makes it natural position. Yeah.
Perfect. What a shot.
Mukhang maganda talaga yung break and run dito ni Nick Anderson, no? At sa isang saglip lang ay nakatabla na sa puntos itong si Nick. Tabla ang score natin all one. Si Efren Bata Reyes naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 3. This is invitational matches at china-challenge nila dito si Efren Bata Reyes. Meron itong registration ng $200 at kung matalo nila si Efren Reyes, makaka-receive sila naman ng $500 at ito ay isang invitational tournament at lahat ng proceed dito sa tournament na ito ay mapupunta doon sa designated sponsorship nila. At si Reyes naman merong 60% na revenue na makukuha dito sa invitational tournament na ito. Nasa table si Nick Anderson at dahil nagmintis dyan si Reyes, kaya back to table si Nick Anderson. Maganda yung kanyang ball positioning dito sa DOS, kaya tingnan natin kung makarun out siya dito sa rack number 3.
You can't hold this, you gotta let it go. There's way too much angle to hold. Try to hold it out, you'll get in trouble.
Great shot there.
That's nice.
Next leg ball for a roll. Short rail here.
If the angle goes back to shoulder,
And clean.
he pointed to the table where he wanted to be on the center, but this is not a problem.
Just take your nice and just make it. You go a little longer.
Mukhang na-overcut ni Nick Anderson yung 8 ball, kaya sumablay sa tira. At ito nga, na-open ang 8 kay Reyes. Pumasok ang 8 at nakita natin dito napakaganda ng ball positioning niya dito sa 9. Mukhang may seal pa ito ni Reyes, no, dito kay Nick. At ito nga, pumasok yung 9. 2-1 ang score natin, leading si Reyes dito sa mats. Back to table si Nick para sa break. Maganda ang break na yan ni Nick at pumasok yung 3 bola, no? Isang bola dito sa corner pocket at dalawang bola doon sa side pocket. May available shot pero medyo mahirap yung pocketing. Tingnan natin kung makapag play safe dito si Nick Anderson or ibang shot niya dito sa corner pocket sa ibaba.
Tricky.
It all depends on how close that one is to the rail, if it's even a good shot or a double.
Not an easy safe to play here either. If you wanted to.
Push out's the choice. Pushing out to a slightly more favorable thing. Less chance of a double kiss and a better chance to get on the three. I mean, I think that's a great choice against Efren because you know what? If he takes it, you get to watch the cool stuff anyways. I love it. Of course he's taking it.
Ooh,
That's how you
what
play
a
the safe from there, guys. Did you know that? Because I didn't.
I didn't.
I didn't.
It's a great save.
My aggressive dumbass is looking at a bank and the best player in the world decides that this is not the time for the aggressive shot.
It plays a really good save too. Might have left the window, but
That's just unlucky.
yeah.
Just a window to hit it.
Yep.
Didn't quite make it. And now he's got the open table. I'm remembering that safe now, like downloading that safety, that the two rails.
Come around. He didn't even hit it that hard too, which is
He just banked the one towards there.
yep.
Two rails.
I love watching. One of the fun things about watching Efren shoot is that he never shoots hard. Like, watching other exhibitions yesterday, everything was just so smooth, and some shots I thought he had hit a lot harder, just smoothed it through. It's like that one.
He has a beautiful touch.
Mukhang may steal na naman ito ni Efren Reyes, no? Maganda itong pinapakitang laro ni Reyes. At yun na, pumasok ang 9. 3-1 ang score natin dito. Lamang na lamang si Reyes. Kaya susunod na magbe-break dito, walang iba kundi si Reyes dito sa rack number 5. Ito ay pang-anim na laro na ni Reyes, no? Hindi pa siya natatalo at meron na siya kaagad revenue na $1,200. At ito nga, dahil sa dami ng gustong lumaban dito kay Reyes, maraming nagpa-register dito ng tig to $200. Umabot sila ng 34, no, yung player na gustong labanan itong si Reyes. At kung matalo nila si Reyes, makaka-receive sila ng $500. Si Reyes ay aiming dito sa ball number 2. Napakahusay talaga nitong cut ni Reyes at mukhang mararan out niya na naman itong rack number 5 na ito.
I punched this out for the 5 in the same pocket. Yeah.
Side rails here.
Yep.
Under the right side pocket, above the left side pocket.
Touch it left and let it run. I think he's just gonna spin off the long rail some left here. Ooh.
Last ball kay Efren Reyes, no, at napakaganda nitong ball positioning niya sa 9. Pumasok yung 9, 4-1 ang score natin dito. Napakahusay ng ball preparation ni Reyes at back to table si Nick Anderson para sa break dito sa rack number 6. Ang score natin ay 4-1, lamang na lamang dito si Reyes at ito ay race to 5 match for $500. May pumasok na isang bola at may magandang ball position itong si Nick dito sa ball number 1. Tingnan natin kung makabawi dito si Nick.
Not really any problems to this rack either.
Yeah.
I think the key's gonna be getting on the 2. So often is the first shot the most important one here. Hit the 6, but I think he ended up in a good place.
Yep. Nice little bump there. Might like to take the 3 in the side, yeah. Just
He's gonna have to draw this and avoid getting hit by the 7. That was tough.
that was very tough. Especially when you
Sumablay
consider
dyan
the
si
chair
Nick
foul.
Anderson at kumalog yung 2 dito sa corner pocket. Back to table naman itong si Reyes para dito sa 2. Sumablay din dito si Reyes, no, at na-undercut niya yung 2. Ganun pa man, naitago niya itong cue ball sa likuran ng 5 ball.
Remember, he's not shooting with his cue guys, and I don't think he's chalked yet today. I
was the
really
first chalk of
genuinely
the
think
day.
that was his first chalk of the day, and that was a miscue.
Oh, that's unfortunate right there. Double foul.
Only results in 1 ball in the end.
Yeah. I always wondered what that. I think it's like a English game or something where you can get 2 consecutive shots or something.
There is. I don't know the details of the rules, but I played it once before, and we looked it up and we played it, and it was definitely interesting. It had a totally different strategy
Really, I would love to play that one day.
because there are things like you can't pocket the other person's ball either. I think there's a penalty for that. So if you're blocking the pocket, it's a different, like, it's a
It's a
more
strategy,
offensive
right.
than it is an 8 ball.
Premium on the rattles.
Yeah. The balls are all solid colors. Like all yellow and all red. There's a little- I think it's called buck.
Oh, that's the name of the game? You have any English or viewers right now? Oh.
Yun, binigay ng 7 yung cue ball, no, kaya na-scratch dito si Reyes. Ball-in-hand naman dito kay Nick Anderson at maganda ang ball positioning dito. Mukhang pwedeng maka-score dito si Nick dahil 5 bola na lang itong natitira. So tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Nick itong 5 bola na ito.
Watch the shot in person and then went over to the TV on the other side of the room for the 30-second delay.
Ganun pa man, sumobra pa rin yung backspin ni Nick, no, at
That was amazing.
wala siyang possible pocket dito pero titry niya itong
And there were a lot
bank
of
shot sa side pocket.
places to go watch. He shot so many incredible shots.
It's been a real honor and a pleasure having
Ayun lang, na flock niya itong ball number 8. Nagkaroon ng double bank shot para sa 6 and a combination sa 8 dito sa side pocket.
shot inside.
Medyo rigid ang tira niya dito sa 6.
Just a small pocket.
Na overcut na naman ni Nick Anderson itong 6, no, kaya back to table si Reyes aiming dito sa 6 ball.
Winter has definitely come back here in Virginia. It was really nice at the start of the year, but
We're back to the high today being just above freezing.
it's great.
Napakahusay nung bank shot na yun ni Reyes, no? Very satisfying yung tira na yun, kaya Ang ganda pa rin ng ball position dito sa 7. At tingnan natin kung matapos na ni Reyes itong rock number 6 na ito at manalo na. Yun, muntik pang lumabas pero alam na this, tutok na itong 9. Pasok ang 9, panalo si Reyes dyan at another $200 kay Reyes.